Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well and safe at home. So let's begin this session. This session for class 3rd, subject EVS in SST, chapter 4, Indian government. It's lecture number 2 and topic will be local self-government, and at last we will do question answer in notebook. In previous lecture we already studied about the central government and the state government. Today we will get to know about local self-government. So open your page 28 in your book. Local self-government, the government in the villages and cities is popularly known as local self-government. गांव और शहरों में लोकप्रिय लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट के रूप में सरकार है. द पंचायत manages the affairs in the villages. The municipalities looks after the management in the cities, while the bigger cities are administered by the municipal corporation. Means पंचायत गांव में मामलों का प्रबंधन करती है और नगर पालिका शहरों में काम करती है, जबकि सबसे बड़े शहरों का प्रशासन नगर निगम द्वारा किया जाता है. ग्राम पंचायत. The Sarpanch is the head, but the members help him in looking after the welfare of the villages. Welfare means कल्याण. मीन्स सरपंच मुखिया होता है, लेकिन सदस्य ग्रामीणों के कल्याण की देखभाल करने में उसकी मदद करते हैं, हेल्प करते हैं. 1/3 of the seats are reserved for women. Grants are provided by the government to enable this body to perform its functions properly. 1/3 सीटें महिलाओं के लिए आरक्षित होती हैं. सरकार द्वारा इस निकाय को अपने कार्यों को ठीक से करने में सक्षम बनाने के लिए प्रदान की जाती है. You can see on your screen as well as in your book. Here is the picture of functions of Gram Panchayat. Road, streets, well, etc. Local disputes, agriculture, education, drinking water, sanitation. Second, the municipal council. The municipal council is formed by councillors who are elected by the local people. नगर परिषद का गठन स्थानीय लोगों द्वारा चुने गए पार्षदों द्वारा किया जाता है. They are responsible for attending to the health, education and general welfare of the people living in their wards. वे अपने वार्ड में रहने वाले लोगों के स्वास्थ्य, शिक्षा और सामान्य कल्याण में भाग लेने के लिए जिम्मेदार हैं. थर्ड इज द म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. The mayor, who is elected for a period of 1 year, which is renewable, is the head of the municipal corporation. महापौर, मेयर, जो 1 वर्ष की अवधि के लिए चुने जाते हैं, जो नवीकरणीय हैं, नगर निगम के प्रमुख हैं. The municipal commissioner, who is an IS officer, is responsible for executing the various tasks assigned to him. To enjoy the various facilities, the people have to pay taxes in the form of house tax, land tax, road tax, वाटर टैक्स एक्सेट्रा. ये टैक्सेस आपके पेरेंट्स फिल करते होंगे, आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. नगर निगम आयुक्त, जो एक आईएएस अधिकारी है, उसे सौंपे गए विभिन्न कार्यों को निष्पादित करने के लिए जिम्मेदार है. ठीक है. विभिन्न सुविधाओं का आनंद लेने के लिए लोगों को हाउस टैक्स, रोड टैक्स, जल कर आदि के रूप में करों का भुगतान करना पड़ता है. अर्निंग मनी कहाँ से होती है? इन टैक्सेस से. कौन देता है? हम लोग देते हैं. और इसके बदले वो क्या हमें फैसिलिटीज़ देते हैं? जो हमारी बेसिक नीड होती है. नाउ लुक एट दिस फंक्शन ऑफ द म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन. अब आप यहाँ देखेंगे म्युनिसिपल कॉरपोरेशन का काम क्या होता है, फंक्शन क्या है. टू कीप द सिटी क्लीन, प्रोवाइड सेफ्टी, स्प्रेड लिटरेसी, प्रोवाइड बेसिक नेसेसिटीज, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, construct and maintain roads, park and hospitals. Now you will get to know the functions of the municipal corporation. Thus the state governments can function smoothly with the cooperation of the local self-governments, and the central government can run the country peacefully towards progress with the help of the state governments. इस प्रकार राज्य सरकारें स्थानीय सरकारों के सहयोग से सुचारू रूप से कार्य कर सकती हैं, और केंद्र सरकार राज्य सरकार की मदद से देश को शांति से आगे बढ़ा सकती है. नाउ ओपन योर नोटबुक. नाउ राइट डाउन डेट, then day, lesson number 4, name Indian government. And here write down C.W. Now here write down question and answer. Question number 3. 1 and 2 we have already done. Question number 3 is, what is a government? What is a government? And how many types of government? Do we have in India? Yes, I know कि आप सबको इसका आंसर मालूम है. So first you have to write. Answer is the government is a group of people who have the power of making laws. And in India, we have two kinds of government. One, the central government, and the second one is, yes, the state government. Question number 4. What are the functions of the state government? Write down answer. The state government looks after the needs of the people of their state, like education, health, welfare, security, etc. Now open your book, page number 30. Page number 30, practice zone in your book. A. Multiple choice questions, MCQ questions. Number 1, the affairs in the village and managed by the, किसके द्वारा villages में managed होते हैं affairs? Municipal corporation, पंचायत, municipalities and परिषद. Second, the people elected by the vote from a, minister, B, government, C, officers, D, team. Third, in India we have dash kinds of government. How many? You have to decide and write down here. Option is A 1, B 3, C 4 and D 2. Here 2. Number 4, the mayor is elected for a period of, कितने periods के लिए महापौर को नियुक्त किया जाता है? Option 5 years, B 3 years, C 1 year and D 10 years. Fifth one is Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the Prime Minister, B Governor, C Ministers, D President. This is your multiple choice questions and you have to do in your homework. And now see B part, fill in the blanks in your book. Here is number 1. The central government is also called the union government. Okay, now you can see. Second number, the present president of India is, जो प्रेजेंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया का कौन है? राम नाथ कोविंद. Third number, to enjoy various facilities, the people have to pay taxes. Number 4, to provide drinking water and electricity is a major function of the dash and dash in the cities. Answer is municipal corporation. Now sentence is, to provide drinking water and electricity is the major function of the municipal corporation in the cities. Number 5, the Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by Sir Edward Lutyens. Yes, my dear students, your homework is multiple choice questions and you have to do in your book and send it to me on my email ID before 7 p.m. Subscribe this channel if you like my video that it is this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.